How's it going, everyone? So I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil light on a 2024 Ford Maverick. Real quick, ignition on. You're going to be functioning with these keys right here. Run through all the warnings. I already got it set up, so you're probably going to be somewhere right here on the My View. So you're going to either scroll up or scroll down to settings. You're going to be hitting this menu button on the right. And we used to be in vehicle settings, but we're going to go into information and tire pressures or oil life. You're going to scroll to oil life, of course, and then you will hold the OK button. You see the little bars going up, oil life reset. And of course, if you're doing this for a customer, scroll back to the home. As you can see, I pre-did it just to make sure that I was showing you guys correctly, and all the pre-settings were already set there. So you're going to want to go back to wherever the customer was at originally, then the key off so that it could go back to the home page. If this helps, leave a like, subscribe. Have a good one.